Hey guys, today is a very special day because we got a dog. It's a German Shepherd puppy, and it's a very good doggo. And I got another new dog. Yeah, sorry, Lily, sorry about that. But it's just like my older dog, Charlie. And her name is Meg. Isn't that a nice name? And here's a picture of me holding her whenever I first met her. Yee! Let's move on. And here's some footage of the messing around, Lily and Meg. Okay guys, since this is a very special day, since videos have hit so many views, we got a new member of the family. I decided to do Q&A. Whoa! This is gonna be great. Okay, so let me just explain the rules of the Q&A. The first rule is leave your questions in the comments below. The second rule is I'll pick some comments, if not all of them, and I will answer them in the video, and yeah, my dogs will be included in that, and hopefully something special will happen. And also guys, thank you for 20 subscribers. It means a lot to me. It's been 10 more people have subscribed since we did the 10 subscriber special. It's great. And yeah, thank you for so many views on my reacting to trailers video. And yeah, you'll be seeing more of the dogs in the Q&A. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I also have a cat, by the way. Her name's Charlotte. Okay, bye.